Here are the three most commonly asked questions during ADHD testing. First, that would be, when can I expect my results? So, usually the waiting period for your results is up to 2 weeks, but once again, I do my best to make sure that the results are ready within 1 week. But if they are not, please be patient as we do a lot of testing, a lot of evaluations, and it takes time to go over all of those results carefully. And we of course make sure to have enough time to dedicate to everyone so we get the most accurate scores. So the second question that's most commonly asked is whether your partner or your family member should be present during the session, and the answer is no. The session, individual session at least, is done one-on-one, where we go over your life history and do all the parts of assessment, and if needed, if during this initial assessment we don't get enough information that's needed to determine whether ADHD is present or not, then we book an additional session via Zoom with yourself, your family members, or whoever you think might be relevant to answer any additional questions. And lastly, the question that we most commonly get is, should I prepare anything for the session? In most cases, the answer is no. Given that we have plenty of time and plenty of comprehensive tools to cover all grounds, usually this is not necessary. However, if you would feel calmer by preparing some examples, some school reports, or perhaps some comments from your parents or teachers from childhood, which can always be helpful and usually it's covered in the assessment, feel free to send it to us beforehand via a detailed email. And that's about it. Would you have any questions to ask regarding the ADHD testing we're doing?